It's time for another mini merch, and what have we got today? Well, it's something I'm very late to the game to. It is a Wonder Woman fidget spinner. Yes, the fidget spinner craze sort of passed me by. I know it was for the young people. I'm not really one of the young people anymore, so I never bothered to get a Wonder Woman fidget spinner. I know there was some around. I saw some in Toys R Us once, but they were like $5.99, and I didn't want to spend that much on a fidget spinner. And yet, now I have, because I got this on eBay and it was about $4.99. But I wanted to do something for mini merch, because I haven't in a while, not since last year. It's the new year now, so here we go. I finally joined the ranks and got a fidget spinner. Nobody even has them anymore. It was just a fad, like all the other fads before. Right, how do you work these things? Okay. It's heavier than I thought it would be. Spin. Okay. I guess it does that. It's got the logo on it. Wonder Woman. Yep. And it's coloured in other Wonder Woman logos. It's kind of nice. It's a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. I thought it would just be plastic. I'm not really sure what's going on with it. What you're supposed to do. Sorry, get in focus. That, I suppose. That's... balance it on my thumb there. Oh my god. Ugh. Whatever. Okay, kids. I hope you found these fun, because I don't really get them. Maybe my hands are too chubby to hold it properly. Okay, spin. Spin! Alright, whatever. That is a Wonder Woman fidget spinner. Okay, I don't really get it, but I'm an adult now. I'm not supposed to get these fads anymore. I grew up with the fad of Tamagotchis. Yeah, that was a real, proper fad. Alright. Oh, it looks like a uterus as well. Alright. See you again soon for another mini merch.